Hello, vanakkam, namaste, assalamu alaikum, namaskara. Welcome to another brand new video, ladies and gentlemen. This is my ADV 390. You guys asked for this video, so here it is. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, in this particular video, I am going to be showing you guys how I've actually fit this Polysport fender on my ADV 390. It's not a very difficult task, but yes, you will have to fabricate clamps and stuff, which I will tell you a little bit later in the video. But yeah, for starters, this is the Polysport SM Slimline fender, and this is priced at 3,200 rupees. This is available in black and white. Now if you look at this, there is a lot of distance from your wheels, the tires and your mudguard. Very importantly, say you're going off-road, you're doing a lot of trail riding, especially in the slush. On the stock mudguard, a lot of muck and slush gets stuck between the stock mudguard and the wheels, so which is one of the main reasons why I've had this. Now if you're looking at the protection to the radiator, if you can just come a little closer, this particular mudguard here covers the radiator as well, absolutely fine. So yes, there will be a little bit of muck going into your radiator. That's really nothing much you can do having this setup, but yeah, it really does the job. And if you're actually thinking of the proper protection of your radiator, you might want to go in for a metal radiator guard. And yeah, that being said, you can also look at the fork protection, which is the most important part right here. Now this particular fork protection is from the stock one. Yes, it does not look stock, but yes, it is from the stock one, where I have just neatly cut off the fork protection. Now I can also show you another bike where we have a white beak installed, but there are no fork protections on it, and it can be a little risky. So let me show you that bike. Alright, now if you look at this particular bike, this is a different bike. This has got the same white fender, but if you look at the fork protection, there is absolutely no protection on this side. A lot of stones and debris can damage your fork tubes. But if you look at on this bike, they have only the rear part of it, which is fit, and that comes with the reflector. So what I have done is I have cut off the front end and the back end, and I've kept only the fork protectors for the bike, which is really important. Alright, so fitting this is quite easy. It's about a 2-3 hour job if you have the right set of tools and you have a good fabricator. But yeah, I will be leaving all the details on where you can get this done, so it makes it a lot more easier. Now coming to the fitment, you have the triple clamp of the bike, which holds the bottom end of your forks. We have not drilled any holes or as such to the bike or the suspension. It is sitting on 2 bolts that's given on the either sides of the forks, the triple clamp. So what we've done is we've just basically given longer bolts and put a stainless steel metal plate. So come a little closer here. If you guys can see the metal plate right there. Yeah, that's the one metal plate, and that is the part that is holding onto your bike. Holding onto the fender that's on the bike. So this particular plate, what you see here, wouldn't be as big as what you see on my bike, because this is just a prototype, and we will be making the clamps for this particular beak. So ladies and gentlemen, that was a quick review of this. I've been using this for about maybe 2-3 days, and I've had absolutely no issues with clamps breaking or the fender touching either of whatever the parts around the bike. So this can be procured at bikeandbiker.com. I will leave a link in the description box below. And yes, of course, Bike and Biker does not sell these clamps. You will have to get it done separately outside. But yeah, to make it a lot easier, the person who's doing these clamps in Bangalore, his details are in the description box below. You can drop him a WhatsApp, and you can also give him a call. So that's pretty much it, and the entire setup should be about 3,200 bucks for your fender, and about 700-800 bucks for the labor and the clamps for this particular fender. So this is as close as it can get to a 790 or an 890 Adventure R, to give it the looks and also the functionality bit. Now talking about the different kind of fenders, this is available in a slightly different design and shape, and this particular one. So I will leave a link to both the products. You should be able to see it there. So yes, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to like, comment, share. Don't forget to subscribe. As always, ride hard, ride safe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.